Hello, boys and girls. Today for music, we are going to be in the kitchen, and you might be able to go into your kitchen and find the things you need for this little project also. I have Paxton and Lainey that are going to help out, and we are going to be making a xylophone in our kitchen today. All right, you are going to need just a few things that you probably have in your kitchen, and you can see we've got them here. The first thing that you're going to need are some spoons. You will need glasses or jars. I didn't have 3 jars, so we decided to use glasses. You will need water. This measuring cup is already filled with water. And then as an option, you can also use food coloring. That will be at the very end to do something fun with our xylophone. All right, so what you're gonna need to do, first of all, just tap on your cup with your spoon, and you can see what they sound like. Tap on all 3 of them. So right now, they all sound the same, but we want them to be like a xylophone. And you know, a xylophone makes a different note for each time you hit when you have the different bars. So we are going to make them sound different by adding water. And you can experiment with how much water you want to put in each cup. To make it be a different note, each cup needs to have a different amount of water in it. So Paxton is going to pour in some water into our cups. Go ahead, however you want to do it. Then we'll see what they sound like.
Wait, however?
However you want to do it, we'll see what they sound like. Careful.
I'll do it now.
Okay, that one's almost full. That one's a little bit over halfway. And then just a little bit in that one. Okay, let's just put them in order because I like to put them in order. So this one has the least. Let's tap that one. Don't touch it while you're tapping it. This one has about half. And that one is almost full. Good job. It sounds so deep. It sounds lower with the more water that you have in it. Okay? Now these two sounded kind of similar because they have, go ahead, hit them. They have kind of the same amount of water in it. So to make it sound different, we could add more water to that one. Try that one. And this one. Yeah, hit it a little different. And now hit that one. Yeah, so see, that made it lower. Okay? So you can play around with yours and figure out what notes that you want them to sound like and how you want each of your glasses to sound. This is what we ended up with. Hit him, Lainey. All right, we have 3 different notes. Now, it might be hard to see the water, so this is where the fun part comes in. If you have food coloring at your house, you can ask Mom or Dad or Grandma or Grandpa if they'll help you, and you can put some food coloring in each of the cups. We're gonna put green. Paxton, you wanna stir that one?
Wait, can we put...
We're gonna put different colors in each one. You can really do however you want to.
Looks like dying eggs.
It does sound like dying eggs for Easter. We're gonna do red. And Lainey K, let Mommy help you. We're gonna put blue in this one. And then you can stir it real careful with your spoon.
You want Mommy to help you? I'll help.
I think we got it. Okay, all right, real careful. Pull your spoon out real careful.
Yeah, I'll just get those.
Okay. So now we just have a more colorful water xylophone, and we have 3 different notes. And when you play them, yeah. Do it now, let's hear it. Good. Now, boys and girls, you could play a song with these. It's just 3 notes, but you could play a song with these.
Oh, yellow.
We're not gonna use yellow today. You could use all kinds. You could make as many cups as you want to, but we're just doing 3. And we're not going to play with that right now either, okay? But we could play a song. And you might have recognized that as hot cross buns, especially the 4th graders and 5th graders that played recorders. You could also play another song. Watch, Sissy. Do you know what that song was? It wasn't. It sounded like it, but it was Mary Had a Little Lamb. You know that song? Yeah. So you can play all kinds of songs. That's right. You can play all kinds of songs on your water xylophone, boys and girls. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.